Big day for Gumpa's Garage. We have a beautiful 2007 Honda CRV. And man, this thing looks a lot better than it did. We're gonna make somebody really happy. Let's tell you what we did to this CRV to make it so nice and ready to give away. One of the things we always love to do is to clean the engine bay. This is from my friend John, who's a great supporter of the channel. And he says one of his favorite things is to see those clean engines. We also always take these cars to a mechanic. We've got a great mechanic that takes care of Hondas and Acuras at Compact Car here in Charlotte. Let me tell you, this 2007 was in really good shape. There was not much they needed to do. But what they did do is they replaced the front and rear struts. They did a four-wheel alignment. We already had new tires on there. They replaced the dry belt and the VTC filter gasket, and they replaced the B-pipe exhaust pipe. That's all they had to do. This thing was in really, really good mechanical shape. It's got a little over 200,000 miles on it. They feel like this thing easily has another 50 to 100,000 miles of life left in it. You'll notice in the before pictures and videos, this had been in a wreck. And the hood was damaged, the bumper was damaged, this right quarter panel was damaged. And one of the great things about these older cars, especially Hondas and Toyotas that are popular, we were able to get a new bumper for less than $100. We were able to get a new quarter panel for less than $100. The hood was also really reasonable to replace. All right, like we always do, we did headlight restoration and just made these things super, super clear. Just love the Cerakote headlight restoration kit. Our friends at Cerakote actually gave us a kit to use on this car, so really appreciate them. Love how that turns out. We also have our friends at Blak. This product is so good, B-L-A-K. We took all the black trim that was completely faded, and everywhere you see black trim, we did the black, and it just makes it look brand new, makes it pop. We even did it on the door handles and the side mirrors. Literally everywhere you see black, we put the black ceramic restoration product on it. Now, our friends at Mako did a great job repainting this entire car for us. Then we put ceramic coating on it. So one of the things you can see in the rain, you can see it has ceramic coating because the rain beads up. And just slides off. Now the ceramic coating is going to do a couple things for you. One, it's going to make the paint last longer. It'll be longer before it fades. It's also going to make it so much easier to clean. Okay, the interior is always where we can make such a huge, huge difference. This was a fun one. We replaced these armrests with leather armrest and did that on all four doors. That makes a great difference. We had just old, dirty armrests there, and now they're brand new. We took these trim pieces right here and actually painted them, and they turned out great. So it made them look brand new. As we always do, we gave this owner that's gonna get this car has leather seats. We used the Coverado leather seat covers. Just love those products. We did these armrests as well and covered them in leather. Again, look at the back seats, look at the back of the front seats, how good those look. Just a great product. You'll also notice those floor mats. We got these off of Amazon. They're custom fit for this vehicle. These all-season weather mats are so clutch for keeping your car nice and clean. We covered these with the product Blak, that ceramic coating, because it makes them so easy to clean once they have that black ceramic coating on them. If you've seen other videos, you know one of my favorite things is to cover the steering wheel with a new leather wrap. And boy, this one turned out great. Another one of Gumpa's Garage favorites, CarPlay. And in this 2007 CRV, we were able to get an Android radio that fits in the place of the existing radio. So it just looks great. It looks like it's been there factory installed. It gives you the wireless touchscreen CarPlay, plays everything from your phone. You can use maps. And of course, it's got the backup camera. So just a great, great addition to this car. This is how you make an old car feel new.